Hi, welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on Swift Cloud ERP accounting module. So we treated the chart of accounts on our first video. So let's move to other accounts. If you look at the top here, you see other accounts. So this is where you create account, your asset account, your liability account, your equity account, revenue and expense account. You can do that by just clicking on the create new by the top left. You can see it. Let's say create, and let's create an expense account. Let's say transportation and logistics. Code, let's give it 23. Currency it's naira. So we are dealing with expenses. You can see we have different types of accounts here. We have the assets, we have the liabilities, we have revenue, we have expenses. So logistics and transportation falls under expenses. So let's just say expenses and create. So by the time we are recording expenses, this account is going to reflect there. So let's move further. Going further, we have our income. So let's say we made some income. Let's see the options that we have. Okay, sorry. So by the top right, you can see create new income. Reference number, you leave the reference number blank. It's going to generate a reference number for you automatic. Then you just pick the date of the transaction, the income item. Let's say okay, let's say sale of uh, sale of office equipment. So we can see the various revenue accounts that we have currently. We have purchase, we have grant, we have asset disposal, sales revenue. So let's use sales revenue for this. The amount, let's say 50,000, then paid into cash or this. So let's just say we received it as cash and create income. The same thing applies for the expenses. You just go to create expenses. You can see create expenses by the left. So we can create a new expense. You can see create, create a new expense by the right top. So leave the reference number blank. You select your date. Say transportation. Okay, and we have various accounts. You can see we have transportation as an expense account here. So let's use it. Say amount 10,000. Paid from. So which account was the money deducted from? Let's say from the cash account. Then we also have this number of months to schedule for, let's say, an expense that is recurring, that occurs monthly. You can easily just schedule it, let's say for the next 4 months. So by this time every month it's going to deduct it automatically from the account. You don't need to come and enter it. But since this is a one-off transaction, we can just create the expenses. Okay, so that's it for this session. Join us for another session. Thank you.